Hey all, Tom Weller here from buyers-web.com. In this video review, I'm going to go over a WordPress theme by Elegant Themes called Ask It. Now, it's a really awesome theme. What it does, if you're not sure what a theme is, it's basically a template. Okay, so what this theme does, that they call Ask It, is it turns a WordPress blog into like one of those Ask websites. You know, basically where someone could submit a question and people can just comment their answers. Now, this is really cool because, and this really impressed me, and I'm just about to set up one of these myself. I've recently downloaded this theme, and this will definitely be one of my future websites that I'll be creating. And it's basically a user-based website. So as an example, people can come in, and this is what the front page looks like. Now, you can change all this sort of stuff around. You could change it to whatever you want it to be. Like, it could be questions about gardening, or it could be questions about house stuff, or you know, the list is on. It could be about all sorts of different things, whatever service. It could be anything, you know. It could be about I'm sure you'll think of something, many different things of which a lot of people like to ask questions about. It could be about Forex, it could be about electronics, all different things. So as an example, so when people come to this site, they come here and they see that, you know, it has the about section, shortcodes, and they can submit a question, right? So we'll just go to that page. So they just log in, and if you're not logged in, you can register. And once you're registered, you can submit a question, right? And then it allows, let's go back to the home and see what one of these questions looks like once it's been submitted. So once the question's open, being submitted, so you click here, and this is actually becomes like a page, right? And it says how to create WordPress theme in 7 minutes. So this becomes like a page. And then from this page, people can comment, and they actually create, the users actually create the content. Let me see if I can find one that's a little bit more popular, that's got lots of different answers to it. So you can see the answers going down the screen. Yeah, here's an example. And this is the interesting thing. See, this is the question. They're asking a question about novice users, about Windows systems, and people answering the question. Now, what they've done that's really cool, now they've got like negatives and positives. So it's a little bit like Yahoo Answers. And so when they ask a question, yeah, you can also, once you're registered and logged in, you can vote these. Is this a positive question or is it a negative question? And you can also star rate it as well. You can also answer your question here. Yeah, and this is what tags looks like in this as well, as you can see here, which you can use. That's optional. And this is also, of course, the most recent questions. You've got the popular and random, and they've also got a big button saying submit a question. So the content's constantly being created, new content, and it's a really good little business because basically the users are creating content. All you have to do is promote the website and get people, like, find a niche that people are interested in talking about. And there's so many niches that you can think of. And as an example, you find a niche that, like, as an example, let's just look at one example. You know, let's say beauty products or something like that. Say you had one about different sorts of beauty product questions. You could put ads in between the comments, just like an ad below this content, so that it wasn't obtrusive or whatever. It just sort of blended into the content. You make it suited to the site so that it's not really noticeable. And, you know, those ads would be coming up about beauty-related products. And it would just look really nice, like you've just got that nice design. You could just earn money from a couple of ads related to your content, and then all it's about is getting, you know, more traffic to it. And yeah, this is what the bottom area looks. It's got a nice grey area that you can use. Like I said, you can modify this. Of course, you're not going to have Ask It. That's just the name of the theme. So you can change this theme header to whatever you like. So like I said, it could be questions about Forex. It could be questions about technology, gardening, anything. So, and they've got this sorting feature here, so you can sort through the content to find out what's popular and what's not popular. And yeah, so that basically shows this one in a nutshell. You can turn your theme from a normal blog into basically a community where people can ask questions and they can become members. It's a really cool theme. Go check it out, guys. To check it out, guys, you can just click the link below. I'll provide the link below this video to go check out the theme and check it out for yourself. Okay. Bye for now.